Once again, guys, welcome to another episode at Kith Interiors 2025. So much excited to just show you what we are doing in 2025. So we are doing a renovation of a 3-4 bedroom house, and I just want to take you quickly into what we are doing. We are transforming this space from a house that was done, I think, around 10 years ago into a modern facility, and the transformation has already started. So quickly, we are going to remove all this plinth, create a nice beautiful veranda here. We are introducing nice beautiful columns that will have the base, the body and the top. The floor goes here. Again, we are bringing in a nice beautiful mahogany solid security door. As you can see on the windows, this is the lounge. We are expanding, or we are making these windows bigger. They were just small normal windows of around 1500 at a height of somewhere here. So all this is going. Then quickly, the TV wall, this is gonna be the entertainment wall. We are bringing in a new thing. The gypsum that was there has been removed. Now we are going simple, straightforward. So we are looking at the statement elegance. So here we are going to just do simple, straightforward gypsum step ceiling, nice, beautiful, simple downlighters, nice wooden flooring. Then all this is gonna go. We are introducing some nice, beautiful panels, or those are called architraves in wood, that will match the solid mahogany door, and that is for the lounge. Again, we are also guiding in form of furniture layout and arrangement, new electrical works, new plumbing works. You can see already for the dining, we brought the window down. We are bringing in, actually, we are doing the French beautiful Kith Interiors windows. So this was a small window. We want more light, we want more modern feel. This has gone. Now the plaster works will start immediately. Then the customization of the windows will be done on site. This time we want to do it on site so that it is just an exact window, just like the aluminium window, so that we just fit into the pocket and then we anchor onto the wall pass. Then a ceiling. Then we are introducing the kitchen. Initially, there was a partition around here and all that. I think on the 3D, if you can check the 3D, some modernization has already started happening. So we are introducing a breakfast counter here, whereby you'll have some stools and a work surface on this side. So we are going to have a long, low-level counter, whereby we'll have low level and high level on this wing, with a cooking point on this side and then the washing point on this side. There was a small window here. There was a small pantry we have removed, so that we have one big kitchen with actually tall cabinets on this side, plus a small pantry inside the kitchen. Then now we are opening up so that we have more light. There was a small door here. We are combining this door plus the window so that we get more light into this kitchen. So plumbing works has already been done. Some plumbing on the floor, plumbing on the walls will be done. So actually, I just remembered that wall needs to be 600 mm instead of whatever, because it's carrying a low-level counter of 600. Then introduction of an arc. We'll do an arc here, and it will be a false beam, so that we have a wooden arch on this side, a wooden arch here. Electrical points are already ongoing. This is the bedroom one. There was a bathroom here, and for now we want this to be a guest bedroom, whereby they will share the bathroom for the 2 kids. So this will be the girls' bedroom, and there is the boys' bedroom. So the door was here. I'm just enlarging or extending these walls slightly here, so that the door comes here, and then now I can have my wardrobes here. Then I will have a small study desk around here, which just floats. Then on the front side, again, the window, we've already started demolitions. The electrical points, you can see 800 from the floor level. There's a switch for the lights, and then the sockets on the side, and we are providing for both sides. So this one goes, that is hiding. These normally, most of the times, they come behind the headboard, so we'll just provide them on the side. The flooring has already been removed, so screeding will start immediately. From there, again, you come here, we'll have a nice, beautiful common sink around here, whereby we'll have some storage for the linen going up. That will be a tall cabinet. We'll have a small cabinet here, which is 800, that will carry the sink. Then we'll have a free space here to allow someone go in and come out. Then on top, after the 2400 cabinet, we'll have the another storage cabinet on top here, which will be a high level cabinet, and it will be open, so you can do more storage around here. So just utilization of this space. And because the space is more the 3 bedrooms actually, the 3 bedrooms are gonna be sharing the bathroom. So we have done this to be the shower area, providing a nice beautiful modern window. So we'll have a shower here, but because of spilling of water, we are going to sunken this space so that water does not spill on this side. And again, because we've even agreed on putting a shower cubicle, but I'm thinking in the future, we'll just divide here so that we can have a cubicle kidogo on this side, then we can have a towel rack on this side, and then so that water does not just spill around just like any common house. Then this will be the toilet, nothing much, just a modern, I think it's a concealed system to go there. Then for the bathroom, we have the sockets being done. We have sockets on the side. This becomes our headboard. I'm pushing this window all the way to here so that I have an 1800 or almost a 2-meter window so that all the air and all the light can come in. Then I'll squeeze in some kidogo wardrobes here. So those are closets which I will partition into 800 and 800, giving me 1600. And this door will swing here to give me provision for the switch when you walk in on this side. Quickly, as I go on this is another bedroom. Again, the door swings here. I have another 1600 units. That is the 8-8. That is 400 for the doors, carrying the cabinets on this side. Then the headboard comes here, and we are pushing it towards the window so that we can give more space towards the what? The wardrobes on that side. Then for the window, the demolition had already been done, but I propose we just leave the 300 on this side and 300 on that side so that when you draw the curtain, it lies here. So all this is gonna be opened up so that we have a nice, beautiful French window and the curtains, and then the light can move in, and then when you open, air can move into this house, and this room can be as lovely and welcoming as possible. Immediately after that, I go into the master bedroom. We'll just do a nice, beautiful door here. Immediately after the door, we'll have the bathroom. So here, I'm provisioning for double sink. That is for the his and the hers, with a big, nice, beautiful mirror around this end. Then we have the socket and the switch for the light here. Then this is now the concealed toilet system. We've already started the fit outs. Then on this side, as you can see the marking here, so it's 500, and then you do the shower, we'll have a spout and we'll have the head on top. Then the shower cubicle goes all the way, and that is the glass partition, and the door will be on the other side. All the plumbing works as you can see. So for you guys who have houses that you feel you want to upgrade, do not hesitate. At Keith Interiors, we are turning spaces into livable spaces. So again, here the headboard will be on this side, and this is the master bedroom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a nice, beautiful 600 window that runs up here. Then the side stool will be below the window. The sockets are just next to it, and you can see the marking. So the 6 feet, which is around between 1800 to 2 meter, the bed goes there. Then we'll have another stool around this, and the window will be exactly on top of the stool. Then on the right hand side, this is where I have my walk-in closet of the wardrobes. So this cabinet, the first cabinet, because it's just adjacent to the stool, it will be open, and then below it you can put your safe there. Then immediately after that, now I partition for the his and the hers. For the window, again, because we've been requested to modernize the space and bring in more light, bring in more aeration, my team had put this, but I've requested them to do a 3-meter window. So it's gonna come from this point all the way to this point, because this is a sitting space. So we'll have like a small sitting here and a small console on this other side, plus a wall hanging on top here. And that is it for the Rongai Kajiado site. Excited for Keith Interiors 2025, and as usual, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to receive notifications of the new projects we are posting at Keith Interiors, where style meets elegance.